to my YouTube channel. So you will know that I have been doing a braces vlog, but I've not really done anything recently. I just want to explain why at the moment. So my brace is actually meant to come off in April, but due to COVID and all the restrictions and everything closing down, I've actually had to wait a lot longer for my braces off. But today is finally the day. So I just wanted to come back and give you a little bit of an overview of like all my videos and put all the information sort of into one place and show you the before and after pictures. So I started my dental treatment last August. It was towards the end of August when I had my braces put on. So I decided to go for the fixed version rather than the Invisalign because I just knew that with Invisalign, they are removable and you can just take them out, and I thought it's just going to take so much longer. I went with the fixed braces and I got them done clear, and I think they have been quite invisible. Not that many people, unless they've got really close up to me, have been able to tell that I've actually got braces on. In my very first video, I told you where my dentist was, that I was doing a 6-month smile. It has actually changed during the course. I mean, I've not changed the dentist, obviously I've stuck with the same dentist, but we have changed surgeries. So now I go to Greenside Dental Care, which is in Cleckheaton, and Mo does my teeth. This was meant to be on for 6 months from start to finish. It has took a little bit longer. I think it's been on 10 months now, but obviously for the last 4 months I didn't have them tightened or anything, so they should have been off way before now. I'm not gonna lie, when you first get your braces on, it is a little bit uncomfortable. So it just feels like something's pushing on your teeth really, and it feels like your mouth is really full. It feels like you've got too much in your mouth, which is a really weird feeling at first, but you get used to it straight away. Wax is going to be your best friend. If you are getting braces, please get some dental wax. My dentist gave me that first. They gave me like 2 little packets of wax. I didn't actually use them all because I got used to the braces quite quick. The wax comes in little strips, and if you pull a bit off the end, just roll it up and you put it over the bracket where it's hurting you, and that stops it rubbing on the outside of your mouth. Wax is a saviour to start with braces. If you look back at some of my other videos, I do cover how to use wax and show you how it comes and how to put it on. If you are thinking of going for clear braces, like the ones that I've got, so the elastic bands are clear there as well, you really want to think about what you're eating, because my dentist told me, and he said these are going to stain so easy, you need to stay away from certain foods and certain colours. And I was just like, the first time I was just like, yeah, okay, it'll be fine. Anything curry or tomato based just turns your elastic bands yellow, so please be careful with these. I also found fizzy drinks as well. Any coloured drinks, they'll just turn your bands that colour straight away. So please don't try it. I already did. It didn't work out too well. Then when they've stained already, you can't remove that staining. So if your bands have already gone yellow, you have to wait until the next time that you have them changed to be able to get them back clear again. What I found really useful while having my braces were these metal straws. So they tell you not to drink tea or coffee. That's because obviously the staining. I actually love drinking cups of tea, so that was one thing I really couldn't give up when having braces. So I decided to get some of these metal straws. They're metal, obviously they need to withstand the heat of the tea or coffee, and it just makes the drink not hit the front of your teeth, so it goes straight to the back of your mouth, and that is much less staining on there. So I would really recommend these metal straws. They came in a pack of 8, I think they were from eBay, cost about £4, well worth it. Another thing that was really good for cleaning is the flossers, but they're on a stick, so you can't get the floss in between your braces because obviously you've got the you've got the braces all the way around, so you can't get in between with your normal floss. But I found the flossers on a stick were so good. Like you can get them in different sizes to go in between different teeth, and I've just absolutely loved using those. Towards the end of my treatment, one thing I have invested in, which I would highly recommend, is a water flosser. So this has just been so good for getting any bits out from in between my teeth, even after I've used my normal flosser as well. So I know it sounds like it's a really big cleaning routine, but it is actually worth it. So your water flosser, you can turn it up and down depending on pressure. I did watch some reviews on here, and that's what I thought. I thought everyone's had really good reviews on it, so I'll try it on my brace and see how it is. It just makes your teeth feel so clean. I do only use that once a day. I don't use it when I brush in the morning and the night because it is quite harsh. So I thought just once a day would be enough for my flosser. So back to today. Today is the day I actually get my braces removed. So as you can imagine, I am so excited. Like I said before, these have been on from August and they should have been off in April. So these have been on way too long. I can't wait to see the finished results. I'm not going to be able to film in the dental practice like I would have hoped because of obviously COVID. I've got to take minimal stuff in with me, but I am going to show you the before and after pictures. I'm going to put a close-up picture in here of my braces right now. And this is sort of going to show you, because it's been the last 3 weeks of me having my braces on, I haven't really been bothered about what coloured foods I'm eating or anything like that. So as you'll see in these, there is still quite a bit of staining on there. Like I said, every time you have them changed, the clear bands go back on and they do go back to being almost invisible. And then I'm going to show you an after picture without my braces on. So I'm so excited to get them taken off, and I will see you all when they're off. So the next time you see me will be without braces. I've just got back from the dentist and I couldn't be happier with my results. But before I show you properly, I just want to talk you through like what happened during my removal process. So when I got there, the appointment was for an hour and a half, which is quite a long appointment, but it does go quite quick. I then had some retainers put on the back. Before they removed my brace, they put retainers just around the back of my top and my bottom teeth. All it is a wire that's sort of glued on. It didn't hurt or anything. That was absolutely fine. Then I asked him how they actually get the braces off. Like obviously the brackets are stuck to your teeth. And he said, oh, it's fine. There's a technique that we use. So I thought, okay, this will be fine. And he got like some pliers and squeezed and twisted and cracked, and it was a little bit of a shock. When they've twisted and cracked every single tooth, the brace just comes off all in one with the wire still on there. If they do it without the wire in, so if you take the wire off first and then they twist and take each bracket off, it will fire all over. So it's a bit of a cracking feeling and it's a bit of like a shock. The first one made me jump a little bit, but it was fine after that. So don't worry about it if you're getting your braces removed. I then had my teeth cleaned. I had a scale and polish, and this is the end result. So as you can see, they look quite white. I will also put a picture in as well of a close-up on these ones. So the next thing for me to do is to go back next week and get my retainers. So I had my moulds done today as well, so I get my retainers next week, and I'm also having them whitened. I'll then use my retainers to carry on with the whitening. Also, I am having a little bit of cosmetic work done on one of my front teeth because it doesn't quite match the other one, so I just want to get those sort of perfect. I absolutely love how my teeth look right now, so I just can't wait for the end result even more now. So when they're whiter and when they're even more perfect. But I've found now I've had my braces taken off, my teeth do look a lot whiter in general. Even though this journey's been a little bit longer than I expected, it has been well worth it, and I'm so happy with the results so far. So I hope you've liked my videos that I've done, my braces vlog so far. This is going to be, unfortunately, the last video, but if you do want to ask me anything on my braces, then please comment below and I will get back to you and tell you everything that I know about braces. If I can answer the questions, I will do. Obviously, I'm not a professional, but I have been through the process myself. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye!